Hello guys, welcome to ITversity. Managing a flood of emails can feel overwhelming, right? Especially when you need to find something really specific. Today, I'll show you how to master your Gmail search, which can make your email management super efficient. So let's get started. Let's master some basics of Gmail search to quickly find the emails. All you have to do is just type keywords like sender's name, subject, or even part of the email content into the search bar. Like this. It will show all the emails with that specific keyword. You can even narrow your search by selecting these options, which is given below down the search bar. I will select has attachments. It will display all the emails which has attachments from that specific keyword. Mastering Gmail search can save you time and keep your inbox organized. Perfect for staying on top of projects and tasks. Let's explore Gmail's advanced search filters. As you can see, we have an icon which says show search options. As soon as you click it, we will have a drop down with these all attributes, which are from, to, subject, has words, doesn't have, size, date within, search, and has attachments checkbox. Using these attributes, we can narrow our email search. Here's the trick. Combine the filters. Let's add some keyword in the from, and I'll mention offer, which has the word in the mail, and I will search. Here is the result. Advanced filters can make your email search very easy. Let's learn about some of the search operators that can be used in the Gmail search bar. Ready for some pro tips? Gmail search operators are the shortcuts for precision. As you can see, if you type from and mention the particular recipient, if you click enter, it will give you all the emails with that particular recipient. You can also combine operators. For instance, type is unread. As soon as you click enter, it will show you all the emails which are unread. But in my case, I have read all my mails. With search operators, the possibilities are endless. Hope you guys like the video. In the next video, I'll share some of the bonus tricks. Stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips. Thank you.